Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Pinterest video. In this video, I'll show you how to download any Pinterest video in a matter of minutes. Whether you want to save the video for later or share a cute cat video with a friends, in this video I will show you how to do it. So first of all, just open your Pinterest application and find the video that you want to download. For example, I'm going to select this one. So for example, I'm going to save this one. Now what you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the top right corner on the screen and it will show you a couple of options. Simply tap on this copy link. Now you have successfully copied the link to this video to your clipboard. Once you copied the video link, exit Pinterest and open up any web browser that you like. I'm going for Google Chrome and then tap on the search bar and search for Pinterest video downloader. After that, tap on this exact search results pinterestvideodownloader.com. Once you are on this website, scroll down a little bit and tap on here where it says enter image video and give URL link, and then simply paste in the link to that Pinterest video that we just copied. Once you paste in that video link, simply tap on the red download button over here. When you are on this page, tap on this download video and that will open up the video in a new tab. So now all you have to do is just tap on these three little dots at the bottom of the screen and simply tap on download. And you can see that our downloading is start, and now that video has been downloaded to my gallery. Let's go and see it. If I go for videos, and there you go. So the video has been downloaded in my gallery. So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.